telecast on 1PH. Pampanga gets the opening tip here.
Former Letran Knight Christian Pajarito as Mark Cruz starts the game with a floater and also starts the game.
Concepcion passes up on the 3, pulls up, and that's all nylon on that 2-pointer. First bucket of the game for
Champion himself. Talk about a guy. Height doesn't matter kay Mark Cruz, but height does matter
Oh yeah,
kay Justin Baltasar.
bounds. Number 2 in scoring, and as I mentioned earlier, the leading rebounder. This is going to be a slam for Justin Baltasar.
Baltasar slamming it home.
We bring in this epic move of the game in partnership with OK Bet together. Dribble. De Leon attacks a Breco. Big boy move for Bat De Leon. Baltasar this time from the outside. Binitbit the bola.
Inside and finish off the 2+1 special.
Wilson. That was blocked.
One shirt.
Oson able to get the 2 points despite the presence of Baltasar right there. He did.
Perfect example for MPBL players. You might end up in a low team, open though in the back door minutes, and also an important player.
11.6 points per game this MJ Garcia driving down the lane and kissing it off the glass with his strong hand in this game. MJ Garcia is pushing the pace here. Whoa, what a finish. Jimenez now with a chance to redeem himself. Holds up, top of the circle 3 is money para dito kay Kit Jimenez.
Side, iniwasan ni De Leon and then inabot pa niya on the reverse.
This
Another
time,
block.
it's Santos getting that denial. Part of the new set of frontline players that Governor Dennis Delta Pineda has takes first possession here in this period.
Ball is Pampanga to limit the touches. Itong si Jimenez or Beta. Strong drive to the baseline. First 2.
Gensan forces a stop. Masaglang is ahead of the pack, unbothered for those 2 points.
Well, we talked about the first game of defense, but this was the drive by Orbeta. Help defense late, help defense on the post, leads to the stop and the layup by Masaglang and the timeout. Post, but excellent denials by Sorella on Baltasar.
Playing for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, averaging only 5.7 points.
Just finds ways to score.
0 out of 5 to begin this game, and for the Gensan guard, but here Kurt Rayson caught in the bind right there, able to make something out of in the game. Para kay Kurt Rayson, good give and go. Sorella gets the defense up in the air. That could have been right on the money, but instead they go back to Mark Cruz, who resumes his scoring ways.
Forces a turnover and will finish this one. Rene Pacquiao coming in for Gensan, replacing itong si Sorella.
Jay Garcia waits for ball beyond the secondary. Could have been a slam, but nonetheless 2 points.
You gotta get up right away every time you fall down, because that time taking advantage was Pampanga.
Ball gets the step, hooks it back to Pacquiao. Rene, floater is good. Second step on the shot clock. Bologna, does he know it? Able to knock it down to beat the buzzer.
Anytime
Garcia pulls up, top of the circle 3, no go. Baltasar tips it in.
I give credit also to the bigs nitong habol din, itong Gensan.
Wilson was scoreless before making that shot. Finally gets it to go on that play. Garcia, short stab, no go. Look at Baltasar fighting for that rebound, but Rene Pacquiao able to block that shot. Kaya lang Cruz, hand off to Wilson, puts the ball on the deck. Jumper from free throw area, doesn't go, but Pajarito is...
Baltasar and Pajarito, and Baltasar is how to lose contact, and then he would put Baltasar behind. Look at this. This is a Tatum-like move. One dribble to the basket.
They bring in this epic move of the game in partnership with OK.
Pwedeng i-goaltending ang tank.
Oh. And the getaway right there by John Wilson.
The 2 baskets.
Yeah, gets the step on Cruz. Mark able to recover, but Vinuya able to find a way to get it up and in. Gensan will keep the basketball. Pacquiao puts the moves on Baltasar. Plethora of moves right there to get the 2 on. to Binuya. Scoop and the finish para kay Raymond Binuya.
Any moment from now. Look at this one. Ano yan, slalom? All-star game ba to?
Binuya tried to gamble there on Masaglang Pajarito from downtown. Yes, sir. Kit Jimenez crosses over Concepcion. Hits a pass. Pajarito. I thought it was blocked.
De Leon mahaba. It forces you to up the arc. As you see, Masaglang right here.
Up ahead, but not give it up. Wilson is asking for it. Oh, Masaglang takes his time, gets it to his big man underneath. Continues to miss from the outside. Baltazar misses on the initial try by Kit Jimenez. Apolonio, nobody home to challenge, and that's 2 points. Quick, 4:52. Wilson goes back door. Excellent pass by Rene Mikel.
And that's the way to get the ball.
Last season when he was playing for Marikina. Also steps back. Triple is good. Para dito kay Enzo Hos.
Renz Gonzalez, senior board member. Vika Gonzalez, vice
injury. The coaching staff is asking for the intangibles right now, such as patience in this last quarter. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Sid. And right up
Line is playing so well right now on both ends that we forgot they had guys like Jervy Cruz. And that's just the wealth of bigs. Laro nitong Pampanga, big three right there. Blocked by Santos.
dribble in front of Big Masaglang on the break. Masaglang adjusted mid-hair. And here he is once again ahead of the pack. Gets the outlet, but leaves it for Happer Mondragon. Percentage, but he has yet to get a basket from the outside. Pajarito though continues his excellence from distance. On Wilson attracting the double team. There you go. Para kay Matt. Binuya leaves it for Balti, and Baltazar gets the roll.
One thing John Wilson would have to learn to play time and score because they still have a lot of time. Okay.
From mid cuts, leaves it for De Leon, who slams it down with two hands.
But this was the nice play. Give and go, and then the drop to De Leon.
Baltazar, Binuya needs the opportunity here. Safety right there para kay Matt De Leon, and this time Baltazar able to be guarded by Matt De Leon. He handed it over. Enzo Hossot swishes it through
And operate.
Oh, Wilson on over to Jimenez. Eye in the sky play.
Obviously, the jump pass by Wilson. Unselfish play. Jimenez, who has struggled the whole game.
0 out of 2 for Matt De Leon. Baltazar is there for the rebound and the putback.
It's first of last 2 timeouts. Interesting. Big decision coming up for Gensan right here. Javi, will they inbound the basketball half court, or will they to have the full 24-second shot clock? If they decide to go half court, then obviously it's an advantage to them.
Trying his best not to be pressured, but he gives it away. Concepcion, the reverse and the score! Archie Concepcion
Available. We saw 3 white shirts just watching available, which they failed to do. And that's the thing we talked about, the risk of inbounding full court.
Jimenez with the rock. Fakes, leads in, short. Pump in with the rebound, and it looks like we are going into extra period.
Excellent defense. They force a tough shot by Jimenez. It was a good look, good angle on the board, just unable to hit it. Extra exciting NPBL minutes coming up for all of us.
And the crowd here, the Brenzy, first loss, but still here. We have 5 more minutes to decide. Extra period sa aming pagbabalik. City Crespo is at courtside. Pampanga getting...
Let's see if they can score right here.
Pampanga's second crack at the basket here in OT, and they get the 2 points there, courtesy of Cruz. Double cross, tough layup. Apreku with a follow.
Well, that's his strength. Talk about Apreku.
Of this game, and the first 2 points para kay Felix Apreku. But Archie Concepcion, what about that shot?
Is getting it.
They gamble and they leave Rayson wide open. That's what you get when you double. Lanterns, his first season in the MPBL. It was Kurt Rayson, also from Letran, recent champion in the recent NCAA wars.
But once again, 2 deep already on the post was Baltasar. And Baltasar,
Binuya steps through. Rayson passes up on the 3. Jimenez is right there with him. What about that? Kurt Rayson. Baskets being answered by each other from both former Letran Knights. Kit Jimenez gets it from downtown. Wilson, go ahead triple. That's long. Barito gets the offensive rebound. They still have time. Oh, Oson and Jimenez was not sure.
Lumipia yung Pampanga. Pampanga Landers, laban! Fight Pampanga! Congress Bandong!